Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Kenny. Welcome to this section. So in this section, we will like to go through that presentation, introduction of Kalay cloud platforms. So through tech, we are the Kalay platform providers of the software. So in this slide, you can see that we go through that. Through tech is established in 2008. At the time, we are specialized in developing the P2P connections between the devices and the mobile applications. We will go through the technology later on. So currently, we have 150 employees. And we have headquarters in Taipei, Taiwan. We have branches in Shenzhen, Shanghai, Hong Kong, and Yilan. This is our ecosystems. So you can see we have a close partnership with service provider of cloud platforms and chipset vendors. Have some partnership with some solution providers. Also have some customization customers for OEM, ODM vendors and for branding company as well. So these numbers show you that currently we have 6 million devices connecting our platforms online and have 90 million users logging connections per month. So through this number, you can see that the stability of our system is very important. We can measure the connections is stable through our platform. The users can benefit from our platforms. So, what is Kalay? So Kalay is an aboriginal Taiwanese tribe, Da'u. So it means that shake hands. So it means that you can shake hands with all devices. You can connect in all devices. It's the most important. It's the concept of the IoT. And this is our structures of platform. So in this PowerPoint, there are 3 components. First is the devices. How can we implement our solutions into the devices? Second, how it works with app, the application, what they can do, what the customer can benefit from control for the applications. And most important, the cloud services. So through tech can provide service to fulfill all these 3 components to complete the IoT environments. So let's start from the devices. First, we can quickly implement our solutions into the devices. But how? We can support more than 40 brands, wear brands of chipset vendors. You can see the wall of the list over here. So we'll support more than 100 models. Different chipset vendors, they have a specific vertical solutions. So for example, you can see the umbrellas. So you can see fish eye cameras. So through our application, you can see that through the cameras, you do a developings. You can control the cameras, the PTZ as well, but Intel as well, Silicoms. So through this kind of partnership with them, the customer can find their devices quickly to implement to their product. The second will be the application, the client side. In the client, it's very important to support across platforms. We can support Mac, Windows, Android, Linux, and RTOS as well. So we can customize our application and provide a demand for the end users. So in next slide, you can see some demonstration of our applications. First is Kalay Home. In our Kalay Home, you can connect to the gateway at home. So in front of me, I have stand. You can see the partnership. They are providing Kalay gateway solutions. So through connecting the gateway, you can control the lightings, PR sensors, the cameras. So anything connected to the gateway, we can control by our applications. Second is Kalay Cam. So of course, you can connect to the cameras. So one application can control the different cameras, or you can no matter to anywhere of this kind, you can connect to a different place for different cameras. You can see a live view, and you can save the videos to your mobile, or you can save the video to the cloud. Also, have solutions for doorbells. So it's also very popular demand for consumers. So they want to see two-way audios talk to the customers when you are at homes. We also have a Kalay box. So although we have cloud recordings, but Kalay box is providing a personal cloud to save the videos or data or any files at home. Just simply plug in a USB hard drive, then you can save the videos at your personal cloud. Kalay car cameras. in this scenario, so you can simply connect to the cameras in your car. Of course, these cameras have the 3G or 4G connections. Then you can easily access the camera to get the videos. Last, and also is most important component, is the cloud services. In cloud services, you can see you have different modules. We modularize different features into the cloud. So customer can customize and choose the different cloud solutions and implement to their application or devices. I would like to take an example of this logic engine. Logic engine means that you can press a command or set up profiles into the cloud. For example, I can set up rules for my lightings. I want to turn this light on every 5 a.m. in the morning. I want to turn my air conditioner on every 7 p.m. In this way, I set up rules. So logic engine will trigger the actions to have a push on the local devices. So you don't have to manually control the devices one by one. So we also have partnership with Amazon, IBM, and Trend Micro as well. So it's very important to have a partnership and using their service into the cloud. So let's talk about some scenarios. For these home scenarios, you can see that our application connect to your gateway at home. And gateway can control all the devices, including the cameras, smart plug, lightings, personal storages, cameras, your fire sensor or fire alarms. And different application can access to different devices. For example, Kalay can connect to a camera, of course. Can decide if you want to have a push notifications. If triggered by the motions, I can see the videos. I can have a two-way audios. Then I can decide if I want to save the videos into the cloud or not. Kalay box is a personal storages. So I see any video or any file is important. I don't want to save in the cloud because of privacy issues. In this way, through our Kalay box application, you can send the videos to your personal cloud at home. Kalay Home, you can connect to all devices your home through your home gateways. So this way, you can connect to cameras, sensors, your air conditioners, all the electronics devices which can connect to the internet. In this way, Kalay Home can provide all the solutions for the customers. Kalay Care, because it is our application, our platform also can connect to the wearable devices. This is important because I want to have my data transferred to our cloud. I can get a daily report about my heartbeat or any my healthy status. So I can have this Kalay Care to detect and monitor your personal or your family's healthies. In this slide, you can see we add another scenario for car solutions, because previous time when you install cameras in your car, you have to read the data or video through the SD card. But through our platforms, now you can simply open the applications, access the cameras, and get a video directly. Even can save the video or save to your personal storage at home. You don't need to find the cameras, pull out the SD card. Everything will access from remotely from our Kalay applications. Then you can also have a cloud service. For a bigger scale, so we can provide also solutions for different vertical, for city surveillance, for home automations, for buildings, so surveillance. So the IoT concept is that try to provide a service through one application, client side, to connect all devices. So we can achieve to make sure the users nominate to different locations or different verticals can still one platform to do all these connections and monitor and manage your devices. Some success stories. We have some partnerships have very successful solutions into the different vertical market. For intrusion systems, you can see the Bosch. Bosch gateway using our platform, which can connect to the fire alarms, the PIR alarms, the surveillance. Everything will go through the gateway, and our application can monitor. Swan is all very powerful and successful customers in North America. Applications, so for smart plug, you can see the demonstration on that. You can control lightings from applications. For Philips is our partners as well. For storages, QNAP, Yodo, this partnership can allow you to save a video to their personal cloud at home. And also most important for the cameras. You can see the Foxconn, these partners, they're using their cameras so customers can access to their cameras to do the monitor and save videos. Xiaomi is using our solutions, P2P and cloud solutions in China as well. We provide a service onto the Baidu cloud. Also, we have an alliance with Ocean. Ocean is providing a service to different their set-top box or smart TV. So Ocean is an alliance providing IoT membership. So they will provide their SDK for all join to connect all devices. And 2TK through the Kalay platform can connect these old devices from remotely and transmit all data to the smart TV through the set-top box. So set-top box you can imagine is a gateway. So set-top box can connect to all devices, speakers, air conditionings. So when there's a push notifications, it will pop up to the smart TV. Then you can control. You can see the videos. You can have two-way audios. You can also control the cameras directly from your remote controller of the TV. So in next slide, you will see on part, or we have some project with Philips as well. So by using the applications, you can see we can control the air conditioning, lightings, everything in the retails for shop owners or the chain stores. The shop managers, they don't have to go to the store to turn on and off of all devices. Everything controlled by one application remotely. Crossover camera solutions, which means like action cameras, sport cameras. This is now very popular. So how we can do that? We can provide applications. Then you can access to the camera directly. And you can get the videos, you can have two-way audios, and through our applications, then you can do the cloud recording as well. So let's talk about the advantage by using the Kalay platforms. Fast to market because we already integrate with more than 100 chipset vendors. In these models, you can see all they specialize in different vertical solutions. So we can support you, we can help you to suggest what kind of hardware product we already have our solutions. Then they can quickly implement to your product. Also, we can quickly design and help you to customize your applications. Currently, we have, as I mentioned earlier, we have 6 million devices connected online, which means we already have a lot of users using our platforms. So stability of the IoT is very important, of course. And cost-effective, fast to deliver your product to the market is very important. Also, our P2P technologies to save your cost because we are specialized in P2P connections. So you don't have to go to the cloud by relay to get access to the cameras or get the videos. And we can have P2P, so mobile applications can access the camera, get the videos directly. They will have costing monthly fee or yearly fee from the end users. This is very important. So through our presentations, we'll quickly go through that, what is the Kalay platform, what we can do for you. And you can see more demonstration in each stations. So my colleague will help you to explain different applications and scenarios. So please welcome to our booth and feel free to ask any questions. Thank you.